Kuma haraya nyũmba ĩno ya ngoroba ithathatũ iragucĩrĩria maitho nĩ ũthaka wayo, no ũthaka ũyũ wothe ũrorĩire thĩ thutha wayo kũmomoka mathaa-inĩ ma hwaĩ-inĩ mũthenya wa Jumamothi. Kwĩrĩkanĩte nyũmba ĩno nĩ gwakwo ĩrakagwo na ĩramomokire mathaa ma hwaĩ-inĩ thutha wa mabundi kumĩra wĩra. Arĩa mararĩ hakuhĩ nĩ matarĩirie ũrĩa maronire nyũmba ĩno ĩkĩgwa.
Kwanza mara kwanza nikiona hivi sikuwa sure kama hii ni nyumba inakuja, nilikuwa nafikiria kama ni jaba hivi inanichocha. Najaribu kuangalia mara pili hivi nikiona kama ni mawingu inapita hivi, kumbe ni nyumba inakuja. Hadi jamaa mwingine wa nduthi hapa ndo nimejaribu kumwambia pita haraka, hiyo mawe ndio hiyo inakuja isimpate. Dakika mbili hivi na wanafumbi imejaa huko kwa barabara. Nyumba imekuwa chini. Mara hiyo hivyo ndo sasa ndio hiyo nyumba tu imefika chini hivyo.
Tulikuwa tunateremka kwenda Ngong, nimesikia mgurumo umelia. Kuangalia nikaona ni ile nyumba ilikuwa inajengwa. Lakini ilikuwa imemalizika kabisa, haikuwa na watu ndani.
Nyũmba ĩno ĩrĩa waki wayo wambĩrĩirie mwaka-inĩ wa 2019 ĩrĩkanĩte ĩkoretwo ĩkĩonania dalili cia kũmomoka na ikari magĩta MCA wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ nĩguo waki wayo ũrũgamio no thutha wa ihinda inini waki ũgĩcokereria.
Inachengwa tu ikisimama, inachengwa ikisimama, na most of the time kulikuwa na ubadilishaji wa there was a lot of turnover ya mafundi wenye walikuwa wanachenga hapa. Na ungeliona huyu akifanya makosa, mwingine anakuja kurekebisha, mwingine ikifanya, mwingine anakuja kurekebisha, and it went on. At one time it was really looking dangerous, but then you could see NCA, the Kancho guys, all of them come and park here, wakiingia wakitoka, na hiyo story inaishia hapa.
Hata kola mwenyewe ijafika ile bimu ijafika ile 400 inafaa ikuwe, na ndio ikiongezewa ikuwe 18 inches, bado ni kidogo sana. Haya, hii ingekuwa imesimama na 20 ama 24 kupanda hivyo, si ati 16 ama ati nini. Hii tubimu ni kidogo zaidi, imekona 12.
Kwa hivyo ni kumaanisha watu hizo maofisi kazi yao sana ni kukuja wanachukua hongo na wanarudi, na wanakuja wengine wanakuja wanachukua hongo wanarudi, wakiacha kazi kiendelea.
Kũringana na OCPD wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ gũtirĩ mũndũ ũgurarĩte, na mũrori wa nyũmba ĩno nĩ arakorirwo ethara. Mwene nyũmba ĩno nĩ amenyekete gũgĩtuĩka ikaraga nja wa bũrũri na arehokaga arĩa ahete wĩra wa kũmĩaka.
Tunashukuru Mungu kwa kuwa hakuna mtu amepoteza uhai kwa ile jumba ambalo limebomoka. Tumeng'ang'ana. The few details that tumeweza kupata ni kuwa mwenye jumba tumepata jina, lakini aishi Kenya. Currently ako USA, so we are looking for more final details kulingana na kazi yetu vile tutaanza uchunguzi.
There is no need for sure having all these organizations which are supposed to take care of the people, and the people who are supposed to look at the workmanship of the kind of buildings that come up, who their work is just to collect money from those who are building. They don't care how disastrous the buildings are, and they just keep on doing that, and they leave that thing continuing to be built on until maybe, had it not been maybe for it's God who saved this situation that the people are not in.
Aikari marorota thirikari ya kaunti nĩ gwĩtĩkĩria waki wayo gũthiĩ na mbere ona thutha wa kũrũgamio kwa ihinda. Gwĩtuĩka imwe cia cuma iria irahũthĩkaga waki-inĩ wayo itirakinyanĩirie gĩkĩro gĩa gwaka nyũmba ta ĩno. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kĩmani.